This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing, guys. This time I have another flat shoes for women for you guys. Here you see the branding here, Viamo. This is one Latin American company, if I'm not wrong. The Brazilian, could be Argentine mixed with Italian in this case. The name of this flat shoes is Ailiana Negra. Okay, Negra means black. Here 35 is the size. Viamo, right? A lovely pack in this case of Viamo. So let me take this off to show you guys. Here we go. Lovely Viamo written. You see here the metal button. Wow, lovely quality. I feel good quality product. Something as a leather, I feel. Here bottom the sole, you see some of the product I reviewed, they are more as a rubberized. In this case I feel more as a plastic sort of thing here. Not bad, but not totally plastic, mixed with the rubber in this case. So not a bad material at all. Lovely good quality of material here. Inside I feel something as a cushion, so when you wear this one you feel comfortable at your hand. Viamo is written. Lovely flat shoes in this case. Okay, let me go to another pair. Here we go, flat for summer. See here doesn't have a heel in this case. More information of material and other things is written. For hot weather, something, no exception color written. You see here made in Brazil is written, so it's coming from Brazil. Good quality product though. Touching here, Brazil has a good production. Here you see the stitching, how is there, how is connected, well made. In this case sole is connected properly in this case as well. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.